Periva Sharanam Devathin Kural Book 1 Sakala Kala Siddhi Tarum Ambal Ambal grants accomplishments over all fine arts. Since Brahma, Vishnu and Rudra are prostrating before Mother, when you do Archana, putting flowers on her feet, it results in doing Archana to their heads also, says Acharya. A devotee simply begins saying, Amma, you, and she grants that wish of becoming herself even before he could complete the sentence. Explained in the Saundarya Lahari Shloka Bhavanitvam. Acharya says elsewhere that so many devatas' jeweled crowns are brightly illuminating Mother's feet all the time. It looks as though they are the lights of Neerajanam by Karpura Arati. The idea is not to demean other devatas. It is a fact of science too that energy appears in many forms. Going beyond particle and wave theory of matter, science holds that you cannot increase or decrease the total content of energy in the universe. Prayer to Ambal means prayer to Durga, Lakshmi and Saraswati. You get Nalla Buddhi, Nalla Manasa, balance and moderation, wealth and wisdom, and jnanam when you become a devotee of Mother. With all this, the bonus is mastery of the language and superlative capabilities of verbal and written expression. Mahakavi Kalidasa was known to be a dullard before he became a Kali Bhakta in Ujjain. Mukar was deaf and dumb from childhood. In a matter of seconds, he became a genius by Mother's grace. How do you pass on to others the immense bliss you receive by her grace? So, her devotees automatically become well versed in all the mediums of expression, such as written, spoken, and arts and crafts. Poetry and music are considered as gifts from Saraswati Devi. She is said to be ever present in Ambal's Sannidhanam and singing melodiously while playing on the veena. What would she be singing? Could it be Mother's varied, delectable qualities? No, she being a Pativrata Shiromani, she loves to hear songs in praise of her husband Parameshwara. That is what Vani keeps singing. A singer's avidity and imagination are further prodded to greater efforts by the response of the audience, is it not so? Here Ambal is encouraging Saraswati by keeping track of the beat with her facial expressions and nodding of the head. Then she says, "Well done, encore." On hearing that, suddenly Saraswati is shamed into silence by the enchanting quality of Mother's voice. What am I doing here, showing off my artistic talents in front of Ambal, who can display such alluring sweetness, just in simple spoken words? So saying, Vani puts her veena inside its cover and packs off. Acharya depicts this scene in one of the shlokas as though he has taken an audio-video picture of the event in shloka number 66, starting with the words Vipanchya Gayanti. Mother enables us to not only feel happy, but also enables us to share it with others through fine arts. She gives us the blessings to be well versed in all forms of arts and crafts, including music. Periva Sharanam.